you buy watermelon, watermelon will get spoiled. Sometimes you buy banana. The banana will just ripe once. Agoro used to disturb me well. This one will come and take this one. This one will come and take this one. I buy normal apple, like 5 cartons of apple. Then the small one, I will buy like 4 cartons. And everything, if I calculate everything together, it will be like around almost.
This is Kate, a fruit vendor who began her business by selling roasted corn in the streets of Lagos, Nigeria. With determination and savings, she expanded to a street fruit vendor with just 50,000 naira. In this video, she shared her successes as well as her challenges and also the impact the present-day economy has on her business. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Okay. I'm going to 8 years.
So how did you start?
The first time I started with roasting corn because I don't have money for the business. So the money that I have with me was 7,000 then. So I now use it to start the roast corn from there.
You have entered inside your car. I'm walking towards you.
From the corn give me more money to buy fruit. And I also work that time. So I work inside the estate. I cook
This Farah Park estate?
Yes, I cook food for Chinese. I gather money to do fruit business.
So how much did you start with?
The first time that I start this food business, things are not expensive like this. I start with 50,000 naira.
Okay, so you started with 50,000.
50,000.
Okay. You started here or you started somewhere else?
Somewhere. For the first time, I start from this place because that time there is nobody here. It's just only 2 of us outside. One aboki that is selling windows.
Wait for a fleet tire, you know. I call them, you know, pick before.
Now, so she tell me, say, she dey come, make her come work. I wait, I don't see her. Maybe she go come out, call her.
I don't call them tire and you say I should wait for her.
It's my pikin.
Before they leave.
So how much is this one? 10,000.
Finish, and this line. Never finish.
Yeah?
Never finish. See, I don't give you a lot of money.
Well, anytime when you come, I get inside.
You won't carry the car, go repair.
I don't even know, just say make I come. And I did this since when I don't see her.
Why did you not put us in one place?
The same man not put her for one place. Waiting up the things, boy. Hey. Don't finish.
So this could contain 10,000. 25,000.
Okay.
So these are 25,000 worth of plantain. she supplied this morning.
Banana said. I resume by, sometimes I resume 10 o'clock, sometimes I resume before 10, sometimes I resume 11, 12. I close by 9 o'clock, highest 10 o'clock.
So what fruit sells faster than the other?
Let's say banana.
Okay, you can sell off banana like this. What about the ones that you don't sell faster?
So watermelon sell faster, but it will take time small. But then buy, then I said. I said, yeah, this even apple, I say apple faster.
But banana is faster, right? You don't have any salesperson helping you out?
My daughter, I have my daughter that used to help me, but sometimes my friend come around to help me.
Oh, okay. That's good. So are you a graduate?
No. I'm not a graduate. Because of my family now. And myself, I have daughter, I have one.
And nobody's going to feed them. Now you, Abby?
Yes. And now I'm the firstborn of the family. Because our firstborn is late. So I'm the firstborn now.
So how much do you make in a day here?
Sometimes, like our own self, sometimes when customer come up, we sell sometimes like 200.
200K?
Yes, 250.
Okay.
Sometimes we sell, when there is no customer, we sell 150, 100, sometimes 70. You know, as the market used to be.
Oh, okay.
So that is that. But sometimes we sell like that.
Okay. So how much do you pay for rent here?
I didn't pay for rent. They helped me for rent.
So you don't pay rent here at all?
The only thing that is just all those agro that used to pass.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They will collect 100 naira for a day, 200. But the owner of this place give me for free.
Okay, so the owner of the shop behind
Yes.
gave you this space for free. Oh, okay, all right. So what are the challenges you face in the course of running this business?
The challenge is that sometimes this is perishable goods. Sometimes we'll buy watermelon. Watermelon will get spoiled. Sometimes you buy banana. The banana will just ripe once. Sometimes also plantain, especially the challenge most is from banana and plantain. But sometimes even this one too. Sometimes everything will just ripe
At the same time. Oh, okay.
So sometimes I will lose from there, and I will still go and buy it again because I will still gain from there. That is one thing. Sometimes, like the first time that I first started this business, Agboro used to disturb me well. This one will come and take this one, this one will come and take this one. Then at the end of the day, I will now start crying.
Oh, so they come and take without paying?
They will take
That's
without
bad.
paying. If I want to shout, they will say no. They are the owner of this place, that I can't do anything. So one of my friends now give me encouragement that I should not allow them, that I should just try to face them, so that they will not be able to take, and to God be the glory. So my very good customer and my friend here, they now help me in this place. Since I came to this place, they did not disturb me again. And the second challenge I face in this place is that the market is plenty enough, because I cannot take everything home. I only take apple home because the apple is more expensive. So like my banana, I put my plantain here. This is the place I store my plantain, like this place. Inside this cupboard, I put my plantain there.
Okay.
At the back, I put my plantain. At the back.
So this is where you put your plantain?
I put my plantain here.
Okay.
Then in the other cupboard, I put my banana there. But because of rain now, I can't be able to use them for now. and then shift my market for here alone.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I can't get all those boys. Once our clothes finish, sometimes they'll come and take my banana, and some will even carry to go and sell it. Because I don't have enough place to keep it, so we bring a lot sometimes. If someone wants to start, but for now, things are more, it's very expensive, but you can start in a small way. A small way, not you can roll like 300,000.
Oh, starting it has to be like 300k in a small way.
In a small way, because if you don't want to buy plain, in a small way. Because one carton of apple now, the red one is about 42,000.
One carton of apple.
Yes.
The red one.
Then the green one is 36,000. Like me now, I buy normal apple, like 5 carton of apple. Then the small one, I will buy like 4 cartons. And everything, if I calculate everything together, it will be like around almost going to 300. So if someone wants to start in a small way now, you owe like 300. Now, before, things are not expensive like this. But now, things are very, very expensive. Although the business used to move, I can't lie to God because God has been so faithful to me. But now, I even put another more 300,000 naira, make it like 800,000. But still, it is not enough for my business. I can get more money to add it to my business. I will be very happy about it.
Thank you very much.